Hey, it's Tony, and welcome back to the Shire. Hobbit Racing has got some Slot.it Group C and Slot.it Classics footage from today's race. So exciting. We had a huge grid today, a huge grid for what we can hold in this garage here. So awesome times. Hope you enjoy it. Group C, Saturday morning, Hobbit Racing Park. There we go. One of my favorite classes here, a wreck of the sweeper. Rider. Top of the hairpin hill climb here. A beautiful shot. Group C in action. Everybody's got some clean air right now. We got Van in yellow at the moment, Chuck in red, John in blue, and Ron in green. Saturday morning in the Shire. Group C last heat, we got a tight one. Two of the three folks battling for the top spot on the podium are Scott and Josh in yellow and blue respectively. Van's not too far behind, but they are trying to catch Ken's 170 lap gauntlet that he has laid down. Nice clean running right now. Damn, Josh. 5.53 in blue for a Group C. Let's get a look at the front straightaway. Up,
1 minute left.
Up past the graffiti under the bridge. Scott, 5.33 in yellow. Real good clean racing right here. We're going to follow it to the end at this point. 46 seconds left.
Yellow flag.
Oh.
Following this blue car, he was passing me.
23 seconds left. It is going to be
Get ready.
really tight.
Go. Seconds left.
Come on, Scott, you got to get a lap in here.
Checkered flag.
Oh, he did. Where did we finish? What does the book say?
Ken got me.
Are we on the same lap?
Yeah.
51. Yep.
Yep.
51 to Scott. You finished at 9. Beat him by 40 feet. Wow. Slot.it Classics here. We got some Alphas out here. We got some Ferraris out here. We're in Heat 2. Top of the hairpin hill climb here. Woo.
Yellow flag.
Chuck, something sounds like it's rubbing inside of there. More Slot.it Classics from a different angle. And just as I said that. All right, after a minor rider flipping lanes here.
Go.
Heat 8 of 9. Everybody's got a lot of clean air in front of them right now. I turned 168. They're chasing that number down right now. Josh is at 151. He looks at a decent pace.
Yellow flag.
We are down to 1 minute in the last heat. Ken has got to turn 8 laps to overtake me and Josh. He's got a lot of time to do it. He's got what I believe is a McLaren, and it is beautiful. Smoke, matte black. We've got a couple of Ferraris out here too, and maybe another Ferrari. What is that running in red? Maybe another McLaren Alpha. Yeah, maybe an Alpha. But we're close. We're close here. Get a look up close at this one. That's pretty right there. That Ferrari is really sharp too, man. That's nice. I think there was different liveries made in this one too, so I don't have to get another 16. I think it was like a number 8. There was a couple of different ones, so. All right, we're gonna ride this one out here. 40 seconds left. Oh, can I get wide enough without getting on a chair? Just some gentleman action at the end here so we don't slow it down. Ken has taken us down. He's now on his 171st lap. And we're just going to ride it out. Oh, and he even got 172 laps out of it. He smoked us by the time it was all said and done. Very nice. Very nice. Slot.it Classics. Such a great time today hanging out with everybody, and just really, I just can't say enough. It's such a blast, and it's what it's all about. Getting to race with everybody. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't by now. It really helps our channel, and give me some feedback and some likes, and turn on those notifications. Until next time, thanks for watching.
If you don't subscribe to Hobbit Racing, I'll poke you with my staff. Pokey, pokey, pokey.
She will poke you with her staff.
Pokey!